They said 3 particles are placed in the XY plane. A 40-gram particle is located at 3,4. 50-gram particle is positioned at -2, -6. Where must a 20-gram particle be placed so that the center of mass of the third of this 3-particle system is located at the origin? What can we do? So, where is the center of mass? XCM. At what location is XCM? 0. So, in this case, what you will say, XCM is what? 0. If you multiply 0 times the denominator, what will be? 0. Right? So now, do you have N1?
Yes.
Do you have X1?
Yes.
Do you have N2? X2?
Yes.
Do you have N3?
Yes.
Can you find X3?
Yes.
Very simple. But if I give all the masses and all the position, can you find the center of mass if it's not 0? Yes. The same for velocity. That's along X. How can we find the center of mass along Y? Similar way. 15 said at the instant that 2-kilogram particle has a velocity of 4 meters per second in the positive X direction. A 3-kilogram particle has a velocity of 5 meters per second in the positive Y direction. The question, what is the speed of the center of mass of the 2-particle system? What is the speed of the center of mass of the 2-particle system? What can we do? We can find the velocity of the center of mass along where? X and Y. And then how can we find the speed? You square and find the square root. Any question? So to find V XCM, what will be? V XCM, what will be? Tell me. 2 times what? 2 times 4? No. Plus 3 times what?
We don't know.
No, you know.
Oh, we do? Okay.
They said that the particle has a velocity of 4 meters per second in the positive X direction. So, it's moving along Y?
No.
Is it moving along Y?
No.
So, what is the velocity then along Y?
0.
0. Okay? Divided by how much?
5.
By 5. And we get the X component of the velocity. Can we get the Y component of the velocity?
Yeah.
Yes. So, will be 2 times what?
2 times 0.
2 times 0 plus
3 times 5.
3 times 5 divided by how much?
5.
By 5. Then you get the Y component. Now we have the X component and the Y component. You can write this vector as Bxi, Bxcm, I plus Bycm, J. Correct? That's the vector. But if you want to find the speed, what do you do?
I squared plus J squared minus square root.
The square root of the square plus the other square. And if you want to find the angle that is moving, you can find the angle as well, right? With the tangent -1, the same thing we learned. So basically, that's the idea of the center of mass. Any questions? With this, we finish the chapter. Both chapters will be included. Both topics will be included, right? So you need to come with questions in the next class, multiple choice if you have, right? And then I will go over the types of free responses for the 2 chapters, which, as I said, one will be combination of momentum and energy in forms of a ballistic pendulum, or the one where you have to apply to one of the 3 energy theorems. Have a good night.